Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Monroe 172311 quick shock and strut assembly. I'm going to be using this on a 2006 Volkswagen Jetta Value Edition. So when you take it out, that's the bottom. That's the top. There's 3 bolts and then one big one, 18 millimeter. And I thought it came with the 3 new bolts, but apparently it doesn't. So you'll have to use the old bolts or get some new ones. I had already bought some new ones just in case it didn't come with it. So that is the unboxing of the Monroe 172311 Quick-Strut shock and strut assembly. So if you're thinking of buying one and you need it, that is what it looks like.